We just arrived on this landing and now starting to look at the path ahead and go, where is the path ahead? I mean, there's a sign over there, but I don't see anything. I see rocks. So look. Maybe over this. Time to make the most out of this national park ticket. Let's go see some other caves. I thought the point of caves were they were underground. Every cave I've been to in Thailand, you have to climb to it. It's just a hole in a rock, it's not a cave. Caves go down. Well, you can see that all of those national park fees definitely don't go into ground maintenance. My favourite thing, caves, or it would seem as of recent. Always make sure you have both hands free when you're descending ladders, not just one hand, both hands. Just so you get a little taster of just how dark it is in here. Let's go. Bats everywhere. Hello. That's bat food right there. The bats will be after you. Nice to see that they've put a big safety grate. I have size 12 UK shoes and they only just make it from one bar to another. Imagine bringing kids through here. It was slippery. It still is slippery. I've just entered this rather large sort of amphitheatre here. Can't really see anything. Let me turn on the light. More bats up there. Got another ladder. I imagine that the metal on the Titanic is sturdier than this. So stalagmites, which are the ones that grow from the floor, stalagmites grow at 0.005 mil up to 0.7 mil per year. You wonder how, that's like 3.5 meters tall, that one that you're seeing now. So you can work out how long that's taken. It's got another 1.5 meters to reach the ceiling. Crazy how long nature takes. Alright, we can see daylight. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our tour. Hope that you've enjoyed this bonus little caving video. I never ask you, but I'm asking today. Can you please make sure you like this video, you leave a comment and you subscribe, and then there's a little bell next to the subscribe. Just click that so that you know when I upload a video, because at the moment it's a little bit sporadic. And Share it to your friends. Share the channel to your friends if you want them to suffer through what you've suffered through. Trying to grow the channel. It's growing bit by bit. Remember, 1 million by Christmas 2022. 1 million subscribers by Christmas 2022. I can't do it on my own. I need you. Right, that's enough random babbling. Time to go home. Have an awesome day.